black. Y'all can't see the detail in this car, man. This SUV, damn. Windows is all blacked out, man. I'm gonna have to probably come back to a video. She clean though, man. She's super clean. Super duper clean. Pop the hood for me. Got some nice little LEDs up in there. Said he got a coda intake on there too. Woo! It ain't cheap. And he got that plastic joint on there. And he said he's gonna put some headers on there too. This thing is super quiet. You guys can see drive-by cable. It's a 2002. He upgraded to the electric fans. I also do that. If y'all want some electric fans done, I take off your clutch fan. I do the electric fans. I got little relays just like that. So if y'all need that done, get out your boy. Super clean truck, man. Call this bitch Obama. All right. When y'all see the laptop out, man, you already know what time it is. 2004 Yukon. We're about to do some tuning on it. He got 411 gears, and he just said he basically want a little bit more power out of it. He got 411 gears, 35-inch tire, and yeah, let's see what's up with it, man. See what we can get done on it. It's very nice SUV, super clean, all blacked out. So let us do our first couple little test passes, then I'll get back with you in a second. So we got her loading up. Basically what we're gonna do, it's just a little daily driver. We're gonna do some timing, put some timing in it. It has some little, I've seen it has some knock retard in it already, so I'm going to see if I can. He said the truck was kind of already messed with previously. Somebody did the fans and something else, but I don't know why his engine, he has some KR in there, so let me see if I can fix that too. Check out his fuel trims and all that good jazz. With the 411s in there, it does pull pretty decent. So, I don't know, man. Let's see if I can make another customer happy. Stay tuned. All right, you can go ahead and turn it off and then turn it on. Oh, no, that's fine. No, it's good. Leave it. And let it idle for a little bit. Somebody previously tried to tune it. They had his car revving at like 8,000 RPMs. I don't know why they had it revving so high. The shift points were changed as well. And I don't know. Let's see if it corrected it. Let's see what happens. It had a couple issues going on with it, but I don't know. Let's see if we can fix it real quick. I'm going to do a little test drive and see what's up. So we about to do the first test hit after this stop sign. See if I did a good job or not, man. Watch out for them. All right, all the way down. All right. All right. Let me do one more little tool real quick, and I'll get back with y'all. So basically, what I'm gonna do now is he wanted the RPMs real high, so I raised the RPMs up a little bit and did some few little changes and all that jazz. It's getting dark. I want to get a clean view of the truck. It's gonna probably be kind of hard to do it. Maybe I have him pull in front of a light or something like that. So SUV. I haven't put underneath the light so I can do a full walk around. This thing is clean, and it only got it got 64,000 miles on it. It's super clean, and he has some nice 20-inch wheels on here and stuff like that. 411 gears. No headers or nothing like that though, but it's clean, trust me. So let me finish this up. We got 1 minute and 2 seconds. We got 59 seconds now. So we're gonna do a startup and then we're gonna test drive it again. You can go ahead and start it and let it run for a little bit. No, wait. You ready? All right. All right, you can start driving it a little bit slow. I know when I be tuning, y'all be worried about, oh, you be on residential street, we on the back road, man. The speed limit is 50. Don't worry, we be extra careful, man. It's called a street tune for a reason. You tune in on the damn street, relax. I got 4 kids, man. I don't want nobody getting hurt either. I said dead end. So go all the way down, just maybe bust a bitch. Go all the way down and turn around. Yeah. Okay, after the stop sign, just hit it.
Okay.
That's 6,000. No, cruise. Go ahead, cruise. And then make a. I'll tell you when to hit it.
Gas again?
No. Drive regular?
Okay.
Yeah. All right, all the way down. Gas it. Oh, shit. Hold on, y'all. All the way down, gas. That was only 50. That shit is cool. And the RPM is reading his right speed and all that. Y'all see it's 42. I got it 3 correct. So it's attacking RPMs, all that stuff is reading perfect now. Ooh-wee. So this is his 05 Silverado 4.8. 4.805 Silverado is having some issues here. This thing clean too. Gonna see if we can, I'm gonna try some real quick, see if I can fix this issue. He should let me buy this one. Turn it off real quick. Did it change?
Yeah.
No, it's the same thing, huh?
Yeah.
I can hear it's the same shit. I don't think this motor is fucked up though.